CO configuration. So we already configured FI. Okay. Now we are configuring CO. As a CO consultant, we need to configure the settings. Okay. First of all, CO basic settings. These basic settings we have configured at the time of FI. Okay. Without these basic settings, we can't post entries. Okay. That's why we already configured this CO basic settings. Once again, we will go through these settings. Okay. For your better understanding. Okay. So what is our controlling area? We have configured. So first of all, in the basic settings, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. OK KPI. We will go by path for your understanding. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. It's related to controlling. Okay. Not financial accounting. It is controlling. Controlling. In controlling, general controlling. Organization. Maintain controlling area. This one. Okay. Maintain controlling area. So this one for copy. Copy controlling area. Copy delete check controlling area. Next, this is maintain controlling area. Okay. Open maintain controlling area. So what is our controlling area? We have defined JKCA. JKCA. This is our controlling area. We have maintained. Okay. If we want to create new entries, we can click here. Okay. We need to give controlling area name. Okay. And description, cross company code or company code cost accounting. We will give controlling areas cross company code. If we have more than one company code, we need to give cross company code. We will see our controlling area for your understanding. So this is our controlling area. We have given name JKCA, JK controlling area. We have assigned controlling area to cross company code cost accounting. Okay. Currency type. These are currency settings. Currency type 10. Currency INR. Okay. Next other settings. So these are the currency settings. Now other settings. Chart of accounts. JKOC. Fiscal year variant. J4. Okay. Fiscal year variant. J4 we have created. So J4 created from V3. That means April to March. We have copied fiscal year variant, created J4. Cost center standard hierarchy. Do you understood? Fiscal year variant V3. From V3 we have copied, and next cost standard hierarchy JKC underscore cost. Okay. This is the cost center standard hierarchy. We already configured and also created cost centers also. Next. So after creating assignment of company code. Now we have assigned this controlling area to JK10. That means JK Steels Private Limited. Okay. So this is the assignment. If you want to assign, make new entries and enter company code. Okay. So basic settings, assignment. Next, activate components or control indicators. Activate components or control indicators. Okay, relating to 2025. So we need to activate for every fiscal year. Okay, so fiscal year 2025 to 25. Here we need to give 2025 to 9999 actually. Okay, at the time of activating controlling area, you need to give 9999. We already activated cost centers. Okay, component active. Okay, next order management activated, commitment management active. Okay, so activity based costing is a different one. Next, projects, sales orders, cost objects. Okay, activated. Okay, so these are the parameters we need to activate. We already activated. So this is about controlling area. Okay, so maintain controlling area. We have configured. Without controlling area, we can't post entries. That's why we have already configured. Next, maintaining number ranges for controlling area document. Maintaining number ranges for controlling documents. A and KT code. In organization, in controlling, general controlling, in organization, subsequent assignment of company codes, maintain number ranges for controlling documents. Okay, maintain number ranges for controlling documents. So actually, it is also maintained at the time of the file configuration. Controlling area. What is our controlling area? JKCA. Next, in controlling area, we have to click change groups. Okay, so here we have many groups. So many groups. As per our requirement, we have to assign number ranges for these groups. Okay, if you want to do actual assessment, we need to assign number ranges like that. Okay, okay, whenever we require, we need to assign for that group. Now we will assign AM AD. Okay, now assign, we will assign for this group. AMAD means university uh, universal allocation TA count distance. Okay, accounting distribution. Okay, how to assign number ranges to these groups? Just assign element to group. Okay, first select the group, assign element to group. So we already created number range 01. Simply click. Okay, select, save. Okay, changes have been saved. Now go down. We already assigned for AMAD and CON. Okay, in JKCA chart of accounts, we have assigned AMAD number range 01 and CON also we have assigned. Now we will assign AAT. Okay, AAT, assign element to group, select number ranges, save. Next we will assign to like that. We need to assign whenever we need to. Next one, AMPA, you will assign to AMPA. Okay, save. We have already assigned to AAAT, AMAD, AMPA and COAN. Okay, for present requirement, these are sufficient. Next, so what is the T code? KANK. At the time of FI configuration also, we have assigned number ranges, because without these basic settings, document FI document cannot post. Next, maintain versions. T code OKEQ. So these are the CO basic settings we have configured at the time of FI configuration. Okay. Next, in general controlling, organization, organization, in organization, maintain versions. Okay, maintain versions. So the default one, version 0. Okay, for CO version 0. Settings for each fiscal year. Select settings for each fiscal year. Controlling area, JKCA. So in JKCA, we already selected 2025 copying a load. Okay, so we have given following years. Okay, double click 2025. So in 25, general indicators copying a load. Okay, next go to price calculation. In plan, we have taken average price. Okay, in plan, I have taken average price. Next, methods. In actual methods, it is planned. It is actual. Okay, in planning, we taken average price. In actual, we will take periodic price. Okay, because it is actual. So we will take periodic price. Own business transaction. Own business transaction. So these settings are sufficient in real time also. So actual, periodic price, own business transaction, and plan average price. Okay, save. Next, so maintaining versions completed. Next one, define ledger for CO version. Define ledger for CO version. Okay, EQ. This one, define ledger for CO version. Okay, so I think we already assigned. Once again, we will check JKCA. So this one, our controlling area, version 0, ledger 0L. We are maintaining 0L leading ledger for version 0. Okay, our controlling area. So it is also completed. Define ledger for CO version. It is the most important, because we need to remember what is the version for CO 0. Okay, what is the ledger we have assigned? 0L. That means leading ledger. Okay, you must remember. Next, we will create primary cost element. T code FS00, primary cost element. Okay, nothing but GL. Okay, primary cost element is nothing but GL creation in FS00. Okay, GL master creation in FS00. So it is under end user activity. Okay, end user activity, accounting, general ledger in financial accounting, general ledger, master records, in master records, GL accounts, individual processing, FS00. Okay, FS00. Double click. So it is the screen. GL master creation in SAP S4 HANA. Primary cost element nothing but GL master. Okay, we will create transport expenses. Okay, 4,40,031. Okay, so transport expense means primary cost or revenue, account group, indirect expenses, transport expenses. Okay, control data, sort key, 001. So we already know whenever we select the GL account type as primary cost or revenue in controlling data, we need to give cost element category. So the cost element category, primary cost or cost reducing revenues. Okay, 1. Create bank interest. Okay, G001. It is a cost accounts. That's why you will select cost account G004. Okay, so now create a primary cost element. Okay, okay. Now we will create cost element group KAH1. KAH1. So it is also end user activity in accounting, controlling, cost element accounting, master data, cost element group. Okay, cost element group, create KH1. So here cost element previous FS00 in CO also cost element means FS00. Okay, we already know that in FI in accounting and CO also FS00 cost element. Now we are creating cost element group. Okay, KH1 create. Now we will give name as JK CEG, JK cost element group. Okay, JK cost element group. Enter. We will give name JK cost element group. Okay, next save. Okay, saved. So in JKCEG cost element group, cost elements is nothing but GL account. Now we have to assign GL accounts. Okay, what is GL accounts in CO? Cost element. So select cost element. So now we will assign transport expenses. Okay, now we will assign transport expenses GL. Okay, so we can also create in FS00 direct expenses, transport expenses. Just copy and give number 2 Okay, in transport expenses, we are creating administrative expenses. Okay, administrative expenses. We will give admin expenses. Okay, save. Now also 4,40,032. So another one. What is another one? Another cost element. Administration expenses. So these are the cost elements relating to CO. Here displaying only relating to CO element. That means cost elements. Administration expenses. Okay. Now we have created cost element group, and under cost element group we have assigned these cost elements. Okay. Cost element is nothing but GL master. Okay. Saved. Okay. Now we will create cost centers. Okay. Now we will create cost centers. So to create cost center and controlling cost center accounting master data cost center create. Okay. We will give name as department A. Okay. Department A. So in department A, you must remember validity free period from start of the financial year. So what is our start of financial year? 1st April 2025. Okay. You must give valid period from 1st April 2025 up to 9999. Okay. Enter. So it's a department A. Department A. So it's department A. Person responsible you can give Shiva. Cost center category we will select production. Okay. Next hierarchy area we already have only one hierarchy area JKC underscore cost. Okay. Next business area we can give Hyderabad business area. Currency cost center currency INR. Profit center we have one profit center JK100. Okay. We will give JK100. Save. JK100 does not exist for 2025. Go to take another screen. KE52 to edit profit center KE52. So profit center JK100. So validity period 1st April 2025, but activate no, not activated. Okay. Activate. So now the profit center activated. To change validity period, just click this icon, change validity period. We can give here first April 2025. Okay. Save. Already activated. Now we go for okay. Now change. Now saved. Cost center department A saved. Next we will create department B. Okay. Department B. So we'll see department B. Enter department B. Okay. So we can give same person responsible production hierarchy area JKC underscore cost business area currency profit center JK100. Okay, save. So cost center has been saved. Next we can give C, department C, validity period same, department C. So person responsible, you can give Ram. Hierarchy area, business area, currency, profit center. Enter, save. Okay, department C created. That means cost center. Okay. Next, cost center first. Cost center for department D creation. Cost center for department D. Hierarchy area, currency, business area, currency, profit center. Save. Okay, save. We have created 4 cost centers for 4 departments. Next, create cost center group KSH1. Okay, we have created 4 cost centers. Now we'll group. Okay, KSH1. So it's also end user activity. In accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, master data. In master data, cost center group. So these are all the master centers, master datas, cost center group, create. Okay, KSH1. Now we will create JKCCG. Okay, that means JK cost center group. Enter. Now we will enter name of the cost center group, JK cost center group. Okay, save. Under the JK cost center group, we will create production cost center group and service cost center group. Okay, we will create production cost center group and service cost center group. Lower level. So the first one, JK production cost center group. Okay, JK production cost center group. Next, same level. Okay, same level, JK service cost center group. JK save. We have created 2 groups. Uh, First, select first one, JK PCG, that means JK production cost center group. Now we will assign cost centers. So select this one, assign cost center. So for JK PCG, assign department A. So department A and also department B. Okay, under the service cost centers, assign cost centers. Select department C and also select department D. Okay, save. Now under the JK cost center group, we have two groups. One is JK production cost center group and JK service cost center group. In JK production cost center group, we have two cost centers. One is department A and department B. JK service cost center group, we have two departments, department C and department D. Okay. So these are the assignments cost centers to the groups. Okay. Next, in testing, now we will post accounting entry FB50. Okay. So debit transport expenses, credit cash account. FB50. So document date, today date, document date, reference, CO posting. Okay. CO posting test. Next. So company code JK10. GL account, we can give debit transport expenses, debit transport expenses, debit amount we can give 1 lakh. So it's expenditure. Give cost center, cost center. So what is the cost center created? We can give JKFC. Okay. Business area, JK Hyderabad business area. Next, credit entry. So we can pay this expenditure using cash, cash GL. So 2 lakh 20. Credit H, credit S debit. Okay. Enter, simulate. So debit the transport expenses, credit cash account. Okay. Post entry. Entry document posted. Okay. Document posted. Next, CO documents. CO documents case B5. So actually previously posted this entry. Okay. What is the entry? Debit transport expenses, credit cash. So this is the screen. Just display document, display. So previously posted debit transport expenses, credit cash account. Okay. Hosting K50. Create hosting cash account. Here we can see, we already know at the time of posting this document, two document numbers generated. One is for FI and another one for CO. Go to environment, document environment, accounting documents. Okay. Accounting documents. So this is accounting document. This one for CO document. Okay. So we have generated two document numbers. This is accounting document number. This is CO document number. Double click on controlling document. So this is the CO document. We can see this in case B5. Case B5 is a CO document report. So first select Control Y for selection in SAP. Control Y. This is the CO document number. Go to another screen. What is the T code? Case B5. Okay. Actual costings case B5. enter T code KSB5. Now we will give our document number. So this is CO document number. Execute. Okay. So this is the CO document. Okay. So in CO document 18th March 26. So cost element, or this one cost element, user 20. Okay. So these are the details they have in cost element. Okay. Go back. Okay. Must remember we have generated two documents. One is for accounting, and that means FI, and another one for CO. Okay.